Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your HyperX Cloud Jet headset to your PC. The first method is connecting with the 2.4 GHz USB dongle. Start by plugging the included USB Type-A wireless dongle into an available USB port on your computer. Once the dongle is connected, press and hold the multifunction button on the headset until the LED indicator turns on. The headset will automatically pair with the dongle. When the connection is complete, the LED lights on both the headset and the dongle will stay solid, which means everything is ready to use. The second method is connecting through Bluetooth. This is useful if your PC supports Bluetooth and you do not want to use the wireless dongle. First, make sure the headset is turned off. Then press and hold the multifunction or wireless button for about 5 seconds. The LED light will start flashing, and you will hear a voice prompt that confirms the headset is in pairing mode. On your computer, open Settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Turn on Bluetooth, click Add Device, and select HyperX Cloud Jet from the list to complete the pairing process. If Windows does not automatically switch to the headset, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and open Sound Settings. Select HyperX Cloud Jet as your output device and also as your input device so both audio and microphone functions work correctly. Thanks for watching.